What's up? It's the Retro Kid right now. It's your boy Kai. There goes Jay right there with the camera. So I'm about to show you Monster Food combo. Here's it in fast. Here, look.
You gotta go slow first.
One. You're gonna start off with the reject. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then start off with the 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, if you're not able to do this, but then you're going to do the handstand. And then drop down, and then do the pin drop. And then, coffee maker, like that. And then, I know y'all might not be able to do this, but here. Cartwheel, and then backflip. Now I'm going to show y'all in fast mode. And that's my signature combo move, y'all. Bye.